Hello students. Today we are going to learn about the conversion of paisa into rupees. So for this girls, the conversion of paisa into rupees, first of all we should know about the relation between paisa and rupees. For this we must know that 1 rupees equal to 100 paisa. Okay, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. Okay, and four rules are here which I would like to tell you about the conversion of rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. If we want to convert paisa, if we want to convert paisa, convert, if we want to convert paisa into rupees, then for this we must divide the paisa by 100. Divide the paisa by 100 if we want to convert the paisa into rupees. While girls, if we want to convert the rupees into paisa, if we want to convert the rupees into paisa, then we must multiply the paisa with 100. We must multiply the paisa with 100. So girls, here these are two rules for the conversion of paisa into rupees and the conversion of rupees into paisa. So girls, if we want to convert paisa into rupees, we must divide the paisa with 100, and when we want to convert the rupees into paisa, we must multiply the paisa with 100. So girls, here is another trick I would like to tell you, that how to convert paisa into rupees. Paisa into rupees. Another trick I would like to tell you girls. So girls, listen to me very carefully. If we want to convert the paisa into rupees, first of all shift the decimal point to the two place to right. Two place to right. In other word, or other easiest word, you must, if you want to convert paisa into rupees, then first we need to count the two digits. Suppose we want to convert 380 paisa into 80 paisa into rupees. So for this, what we will do? So girls, if you want to convert this paisa into rupees, first of all we need to convert two digits from the right. We need to count the two digits from the right. Here from the right we will count 1 and 2, these two digits from the right, and then put a point. Then we will put a point here. Suppose we have two digits of paisa, we want to convert this into rupees. So first of all we will count these two digits from the right side, okay, from the right side, and put a point after these two digits, like here. Okay, we will count the two digits from the right side, and then we will put a point to the, here we will put a point, and also write rupees in the beginning. So we can write like this, rupees. When we will convert paisa into rupees, we will write like this, 3.80 rupees. 3.80 rupees. So girls, the trick, shift decimal point to two places to right. Okay, we can convert paisa into rupees by this method. Okay, suppose another number we have here, suppose we have another number like this, is 4,500 paisa, and we have to convert this into rupees. Then what will we do? So for this girls, first of all, this is the value. We will count from the right side two digits. We count from the right side two digits, 1 and 2. Okay, after these two digits we will put a point here. Okay, and at the start we will write RS for rupees. In this way we can convert paisa into rupees. So this is very easy girls. Okay, and now complete all other questions by yourself. If you have any ambiguity regarding to this maths or this lesson, you can ask me. Okay, now complete this and send me the picture in the group. Take care, girls. Allah Hafiz.